Since the advent of home automation and commercial control systems, we have been able to integrate more and more aspects of our lifestyles into streamlined control solutions.
An essential element for many of these projects is intelligent lighting control. While it has never been easier to integrate LED lights into a comprehensive automated control structure, there are a few challenges that our customers face in the audiovisual market.
The first deals with variance and quality. Since LEDs are so ubiquitous now, there are plenty of low-quality products on the market trying to ride the wave of LED popularity. Luckily, our products have always been designed with quality in mind, and we test them extensively to ensure you receive nothing but the best.
The second challenge comes with trying to find the latest and greatest products. With so many LED lighting options, it can be tough to find the best products available.
We pride ourselves on staying on the cutting edge of lighting technology, and we create innovative LED products that are groundbreaking and reliable.
Finally, our clients have expressed frustrations about the difficulty in finding knowledgeable distributors. Fortunately, our level of service and expertise sets us apart from our competition.
You are experts in your industry, we are experts in ours. Together, we can work to determine the perfect solution for your clients, whether it be for edge lighting, COVE lighting, accent lighting, backlighting, or DMX lighting integration.
Environmental Lights stands as the vanguard of high-quality LED lighting solutions and has a team of highly trained sales engineers ready to assist you with the technical details in designing your specific projects.
We will help you find precisely what you need, and we have a deep stock of products so we can ship them to you quickly, often on the same day. Give us a call, and let's work together to integrate our innovative lighting products into your intelligent control system.